What is going on, everybody? Thanks for tuning in. This video is going to be a lot like the video from last night where I took a part of a longer video and kind of made its own video out of it, just a little segment. And that's what I'm going to be doing again tonight, except tonight we are going to be punching down an RJ-45, a CAT6A RJ-45 jack, the network jack portion. You would Keystone jack, so like you would put this into a wall plate, or in my case it's just going to kind of be hanging out in the attic for the cameras, and that's it. So let's get after it. All right, yeah, it reached. So this is cam 3, like I shown y'all earlier. Here's the RJ-45. All the tools we'll need. This is where I'll be doing it at, right here. If it'll reach, I think it will. All right, so the first thing we'll do is strip this cable, the jacket anyway, like that. Move these around. Saw a pretty cool video on this. Don't remember who did it, but the way that they loaded up the RJ-45 jack was pretty cool. So we're going to be using B568B standard. As long as you do it the same on both sides, it doesn't really matter that much. The A was for like old telecommunication stuff, so that you could use one cable for multiple lines. Not really a thing anymore. So we're going to be using B. It says CAT6A. But the way that this guy was loading it in here was pretty cool, because he was basically leaving them, like I typically I would unravel these, right? Untwist them. But he was doing this. So let me see if I can replicate what he was doing. And these are really firm, so it's kind of hard to twist or untwist. But he was leaving like the ends, you see, twisted, and then getting this middle part here just untwisted enough to slide down into the slots. So let me see if I got this right. So orange white goes on the outside, so I need a little bit more. See, I'm gonna have to untwist it, but that's a good strategy if you're able to do it. I guess my finger strength isn't enough or something, I don't know, but doing it like this is fine too. But you do want to leave quite a lot, or as much as possible. You want to leave as much as possible still twisted here, right on the back end of this, or towards the jacket. You don't want to unravel that or untwist it. Try to get that in there. So then you got blue. There's probably a way better way of doing this, but I am in an attic, so I probably should have lined those up a little bit better initially. So, all right, I'm gonna do this. I'm actually standing on a ladder too, which is kind of crazy. A little dangerous. So blue whites first. Whoops. Blue whites first, and the right one. See, I actually broke a rule of mine. I didn't go all the way. I didn't go close to the. I'm gonna start over. Let me get this a little bit closer. Probably doesn't matter that much, but I like that jacket to be all the way close to the jacket itself, right? This will just take a second. Fix this up. Yeah, I'm kind of in a really uncomfortable spot here, guys. I don't even know if this is going to work because so much stuff in the way here. Another strategy you can use possibly is to go ahead and punch down as you go. Punch them down one at a time. And let's see here. So I might do that with the oranges here. Blue. Blue there. All right, then we got brown up here. This is taking way longer than it should here, guys. Solid brown there. Brown white there. We got green. I'm trembling a little bit because I'm standing on this ladder while I'm doing this. Probably not the safest thing to do. Okay. Go like this. Green, white, and then green. I think that's good. All right, now punch down this side. It didn't fall. This punch down tool is a little bit old. Probably need a new blade on it. Okay. I'm gonna hit the blues again over here because this one's kind of sticking out a little bit. All right, there we go. Good enough, I think. So now I will be able to just run a patch cable. I got to make the patch cable too, but I'll be able to make a patch cable to run to the actual camera. So that'll be good. So there you have it, a quick video on how to punch down an RJ-45 CAT6 network jack using a punch down tool, and pretty much that's it, except for the jacket stripping tool. And pretty easy stuff. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you got something out of it. If you did, make sure you leave me a comment. If you haven't subscribed already to the channel, be sure you do that. Like, share, subscribe, all that cool stuff that you guys know that you're supposed to do. And yeah, thanks so much for tuning in. I'll see you guys next time. Stay savage, everybody.